All right, just to break down this haircut, what we did is I cut everything right about below the ear on the side here, angled down into the back to where the back here is right here on the neck. Angled it all the way around again into the front, right into here. Then everything is pulled straight out in the back towards about, I'd say 2.5 to 3 inches probably in the back here, all the way throughout here, 3 inches, we get about here, about 3.5 inches to 4 inches. The same thing throughout the top, about 4 inches in through here, working all the way into the front. The front is about to the, just past the eye, depending on the size of the forehead. It could be above the eyebrow or just to the eye right into here. Everything, as you can see, is worked in through here. Then I blow dried it and gave it a messy look. You can use a light hairspray. I wouldn't use a lot of product, but something very, very light to give it a light hold.